Hey y'all, my name is Miranda and I'm a yoga teacher based in Asheville, North Carolina. Today I'd like to invite you to join me for a 5-minute morning motivational meditation. This is a great way to start your day. I hope you'll join me for my 31-day meditation challenge. So the goal is to do this meditation every morning for every day in May or any other 31-day period. If you prefer an evening meditation, I'll link to that in the description below. You don't have to sit in any specific place or position. You can do this while you're in bed or sitting on the edge of your bed or sitting on a cushion or in a chair, whatever is comfortable for you. You can leave your eyes open or you can gently close the eyes. And just start to bring awareness to your breath. Notice the air flowing in and out through the nostrils. And just start with some gratitude that you woke up this morning. Grateful that you have a roof over your head, a place to sleep, food to eat, and just remember that yesterday is gone. Today is a new day. Anything is possible. And just repeat these things to yourself after I say them. Today is a new day. Anything is possible. Today is a new day. Anything is possible. Today is a new day. Anything is possible. Come back to the breath. Feel that fresh morning air filling up the lungs. Know that yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is yet to happen. So today, try to live in the present moment. What are 3 things that you would like to accomplish today? I think a lot of times, and I'm definitely guilty of this, I try to put too much on my to-do list. But if you have more than 3 priorities, you don't really have any. So think to yourself, what are 3 things you would like to accomplish today? What's the first thing you would like to accomplish today? What's the second thing you would like to accomplish today? What's the third thing you would like to accomplish today? Remember, today is a new day. Anything is possible. Come back to your breath. Count your last 10 breaths backwards from 10 to 0. And after you finish that last breath, gently open the eyes. Again, my name is Miranda. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick 5-minute morning motivational meditation. Namaste and have a great day.